Looks like it's time to feed the baby. Remember, the food goes in the baby's mouth. We're gonna need some help. This bottle spoon will do. Fill it up with baby food. Now give it a good squeeze. It's so much fun, you'll want to try it for yourself. Uh-oh, Mommy's breaking out. Careful, we need a gentle touch. If you can't resist squeezing zits, try this instead. Press down, and those pores practically explode. Hey, don't wipe it all back in. Could have been worse. Could have stepped on a block. And look, you get to see them in action. 2 cars equals 1 giant robot. And if you prefer winged unicorns, we've got you covered. You sure have a lot of hair for someone who was just born. But there are other ways to style those locks. Just wrap some around a Chenille wire. Bend it, and you can make all sorts of things. Like a little swing set. Know anyone small enough to use it? Aw, it looks like Bunzo missed Mommy. But we've come prepared with a little distraction. These little toys just won't stay still. Just like that bunny. Already have so much in common. That's actually pretty tame. Some kids behead their dolls. But there's other ways to be creative, like making clothes. Cut up a balloon. And you've already got a skirt. While we're at it, let's whip up a top and some leggings. Already looking better, but why not make a whole wardrobe? Oh no, it can't be anything but that! Not bath time! Why can't getting clean be more fun? Well, maybe it can. Let's add some toys. A duck and boat are tried and true classics. Except these guys squirt water. And here's a new one. Just add water and watch it go. Good thing we've got plenty. But when it comes to fun, nothing tops a water slide. Here's something that makes the water more fun. Bath bombs. Especially when some of them come with surprises. Of course, we can't forget the most important part. Bubbles. Well, now that your cup's empty, we can use it for our next craft. Add a glove on top. After all he's been through, he won't miss an eye. Now add a straw inside of the cup. Just blow, and you get a surprise. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Chocolate milk can be a lot of fun to make. Just remember to keep everything in the cup. It looks like Bunzo Bunny hasn't mastered stirring. Luckily, we have a little friend who can help. This friendly toucan does all the work for you. Just get some milk, add chocolate, and voila! A delicious mug of chocolate milk. Don't forget the straw. I mean, how else do you get bubbles? Let's say there's such a thing as too much screen time. Impossible, I know, but hypothetically, Phone cases can be fun in all sorts of ways. Add a figure on the side of the case. Take some gum. Put it in a balloon. And you've got a belly that's fun to squeeze. Meanwhile, giving your eyes some needed rest. Hypothetically, of course. Who wants fruit? Veggies? Maybe some sausage? A growing bunny needs to eat something. Don't worry, maybe this device will help. Put the sausage inside and just press down. Add a bunch of these on a string and cook up. Look, they're now a happy bunch of octopi. For a finishing touch, add ketchup eyes. Now they're almost too cute to eat. I said almost. Learning good oral hygiene is important at any age. So, Mr. Mouth will teach you all about cavities. Don't worry, we'll make it better with a little drilling. Don't forget the filling. Let's scrape off some plaque while we're here. Too late for this tooth. It's getting replaced. Now you see why you should brush your teeth? Something tells me Bunzo found where we hid the sugar. Ooh, he's safe, but let's keep him that way. We can make a helmet out of sponges. I'd recommend clean ones. But why stop there? We can make a whole suit, so buy them in bulk. The world's now a little bit safer, and possibly cleaner. Bunzo must be at the hair-pulling stage. Luckily, we've got the perfect distraction, a ball. Just hang it near, and our bunny won't even notice your hair. Which is pretty impressive. I mean, it is pink. Rockabye, baby! Is it me or does Bunzo have Cousin Pikachu's cheeks? Today's video was brought to you by the letter W and the numbers 7, 500, and -3. And of course, viewers like you. Thank you. Bunzo-rific stuff. Catch you next time.